Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city, Noida? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Noida. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approaches followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of the Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty helps students, don't let them be hustled up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Career Launcher IIT JEE Coaching in Noida. This institution for IIT JEE preparation in Noida is said to be one of the pioneer entrance coaching center for JEE in Asia. This IIT coaching is run by the IIT IIM alumni team. This IIT institute dedicates itself fully to provide only quality education across various fields to all its candidates. Now let us talk about the course details. So, there are different types of engineering entrance exams which includes before as well as after graduation. So, some of the courses are IIT JEE coaching, IIT JEE pre-foundation courses, then they have advanced coaching as well, and then finally JEE mains course. The address of this institute is first floor C33 OP Indian Oil Apartments Sector 62. Their contact number is 9910550614. Alright, the batch size of this institute includes 50 to 60 students in a batch and their fees varies from as low as Rs 7,000 to about Rs 17,000. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Vidya Mandir classes, or popularly known as VMC. Vidya Mandir IIT JEE classes institution is more than a decade-old partner of engineering graduates which provides comprehensive, structured and quality guidance for all types of foundational level examinations. It is constantly being chosen as the most successful partner by thousands of engineers each year. Alright, Vidya Mandir classes pedagogy includes exclusive classroom sessions, comprehensive and integrated study material is available, learning based on discussion, personal mentorship, live classes. Alright, the address of this institute includes 2nd 3rd floor B3, Amaltash Marg opposite Telephone Exchange, Block B, Sector 4, Noida, UP 201301. Their contact number is 910120433900 and the batch size includes 50 to 60 students for online classes in a batch. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is FIITJEE IIT Coaching in Noida. FIITJEE IIT Coaching in Noida Institute is India's leading test preparation institute. In Noida, FIITJEE Coaching is a very old institute for engineering entrance examinations like IIT. Alright, now let us talk about the course details. School level courses are IIT Foundation, School Tuitions, NTSE, JEE, NEET, CLAT, IPM. Now let us talk about the address, contact details and the batch size. The address of this institute includes D56A 26 phase, FIITJEE TAR 2 Industrial Area Sector 62, Noida, Uttar Pradesh 201307. Their contact number is 0120475480 and the batch size includes 60 to 65 students for online classes in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Noida. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.